Our ambition was to develop the best chainsaw range in the world. And in order to do that, we asked end users for their needs and requirements. And I'm convinced that we succeeded in developing the best chainsaw range ever.
We wanted to create a design where we emphasize what's inside. We wanted to do it in an unconventional way. So we designed the meat concept, which is based on that we have a skin on the chainsaw that is the flat black, and then we have cut away material to expose the meat inside, and sometimes yellow comes out and sometimes the glossy black comes out on the product. The whole intention of the design was to make it look cool, to really appeal to the man, to make it masculine and with a muscular feeling, and to make it look really aggressive. So we've used dynamic lines and really tensioned surfaces. One characteristic of the product is the line on the fan housing. It gives it a very forward motion and makes the product very dynamic.
This chainsaw range is the best because of features such as soft start, toolless chain tensioning, endurance to ensure a long lifetime, and of course, the power to get it done. This is a new and unique chainsaw range, and McCulloch has a long and proud history of making good chainsaws. And this range takes that one big step further.